Alright guys, so we just finished installing our plug-and-play CarPlay Android Auto retrofit to this Lexus NX with factory navigation. Let me show you how it works. So right now, this is a brand new phone. It's going to be a first time connecting to this vehicle and the CarPlay device. So let's first get the phone connected to the car's Bluetooth. Most likely your phone is already connected to the car's Bluetooth, but in this case it's not. So let me go ahead and walk you through that. Okay, so we're here. We'll go to settings and we'll go to Bluetooth. And while we're here, okay, we're going to go to menu on the car's screen, and then we'll go to setup. And then let's go to Bluetooth. And let's go ahead and add. All right, there it is. Now go to your phone and let's wait for the Lexus NX to show up on the bottom here. There it is. And then since it's not my car, I'm not gonna allow my favorites and contacts. All right, so the screen shows that the audio player and the phone is connected, so that's what we want. Okay, and I confirm that it is showing on the screen. So now that the phone is connected to the car's Bluetooth, we are going to long press home button on this little control panel here, and you'll find these three icons. This is the menu you'll see when nothing's connected. You can click on these icons and it'll show you how to connect to the devices. So if you click on Android Auto, it'll give you instructions how to connect for wireless connection, wire connections. At the same time, if you click on Apple CarPlay, it'll teach you how to connect wireless and wire connection. Okay, and before we go ahead and connect it, let me just go over some of the settings item. So if you go to setup, you go to system. Right now, right-hand drive is off because this car is a left-hand drive. You could turn it on if you have a right-hand drive car. If you turn it on, basically the whole screen will just flip over to the other side. And right now we have this set as use car's Bluetooth channels. This is our new upgraded device where all the sounds and audio, turn-by-turn directions, Siri is going to be pushed through the car's Bluetooth audio instead of before we had to select auxiliary. So that is turned on, and if you ever need to update this firmware, you could go to here, system update, plug in the USB, and you can update it right here. All right, and then this will show you the system version. If you want to do a factory reset, you can do a factory reset. All right, and if you go here, smartphone list, basically both is turned on, both icons showing. We just keep it on. If you want to hide one of the icons on the home screen, you can do so from here. Resolution here, this is default for smaller screens, 800 by 480. If you have either a 10.3 inch or the 12.3 inch screen, you're going to have to change this to a different setting. It's going to be 1280 by 480 CP, and Android Auto is 1280 by 720. You have to scroll down to find that, and you can select it. And when you change the resolution on this system, you do have to turn your car off and back on to see the changes. All right, and then the next menu item here is Bluetooth. It's the device name. Auto Connect is turned on. And once you pair your phone, you'll see your phone listed here. And so if you ever want to delete your phone from this device, you can do so by the delete button. All right, and then let's go to audio. So all these settings here, the volume, EQ, it doesn't make any change in this case because we're going to be using the car's Bluetooth for all the audio. But say that you want to use the auxiliary for your audio, then you could make your changes here for your different volume levels and your EQ levels, okay? Before we connect our phone, let's go back to our native screen by pressing and holding the home button. All right, there it is. Right now the audio is off, so we're going to turn this to Bluetooth. Okay, that's where you want it. That's where you want to keep it. Here's our Bluetooth source. All right. Okay, I'm going to pause this for a moment. Okay, and so let's go back to our CarPlay screen. Press and hold the home button. Here it is, and if you click here, it'll tell you the directions how to connect, okay? So if you read over here for wireless connections, just go to your iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, and pair with NV17W BT. Do not pair in Bluetooth or Wi-Fi settings on the phone. So always go to General, CarPlay, and find it here and then select. So once you make the connection, you will find it up here. So Bluetooth pairing request, go ahead and pair, allow favorites, contacts, I'm not gonna allow it because it's not my phone. You can allow it on yours. And then give it about 5 to 10 seconds and it'll show up. And make sure your VPN apps and all that is disabled. If it's enabled, then it will not work. And there's also another prompt that comes out, allow MV17W to check for CarPlay apps. You could say allow. All right, now we are connected. You could lock your phone, and when you turn off your car, turn it back on, it will reconnect to your phone automatically. It's really quick. It probably takes like 5 to 6 seconds. So all the audio is getting pushed through Bluetooth. And if you want to summon Siri, same as before, you press and hold the menu. What's the weather? Okay, so if you can tell, we try to summon Siri right now and the volume seems kind of low. So in order to adjust the volume on your Siri, go to your phone, go to your settings and go to sound and haptics. Turn on with change with buttons, and then go ahead and summon Siri on your phone. And go ahead and bring up the volume. All right. Okay, we brought it up. So let's go ahead and try summoning Siri again. What's the weather?
It's currently clear.
And there she is. So you could adjust your volume on that. There's also another Siri volume that you could adjust. Is if you say the word, "Hey Siri, what's the weather?"
It's currently clear.
Okay, and then that volume you can control by turning the knob, the volume knob, while she is talking. All right, so let's go ahead and call myself with another phone, just to show you how that will work. Okay, I'm calling from another phone. It's gonna come here, so you could pick up using a steering wheel control. Okay, and I don't want it to echo, so I'm gonna put one of my phone on mute. Okay, so if you go to your phone, check over here, the only source you see is the Lexus NX Bluetooth. Okay, and you can hang up using the steering wheel controls. Up and down track works, and also your volume up and down also works as well. Okay, and now also the swipe motion works as well. You could push down, and then you could swipe to other pages here. Okay, so just a quick demonstration how it works. For the Android, it's the same thing. You could just go over it really quickly. So when you want to disconnect the wireless CarPlay from the phone, just go here and just turn it off. Okay, and if you want to connect your Android system, same thing. You do have to connect your Android phone to the car's Bluetooth as well. I'm just gonna skip that step really quick, but since I already showed you how to do it. So same thing for the Android phone, just go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and then just wait a moment, it'll show up on the bottom, and you can just go ahead and connect. All right, let me go ahead and delete my other phone. There it is. Okay, and there's my Android Auto. And once again, all your sounds and all your phone calls and all the audio sources will come through the car's Bluetooth. Okay, cool. Yeah, that was a quick demonstration of how our new system works. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.